gonna be fun!
Africa is a big and beautiful continent. Many different countries live here together. Africa is a big and beautiful continent, full of life and culture. Africa is one home, many countries, one strong family.
Long ago, many African countries were controlled by foreign powers. This time was called colonial rule.
People did not have full control over their own lands.
Brave leaders began to speak for freedom. They wanted Africans to rule themselves.
Many countries joined the fight for independence.
One by one, countries became free.
But leaders knew something important.
Africa would be stronger if it worked together.
They believed unity was the key.
In 1963, African leaders met in Ethiopia. They came together with one goal:
To unite Africa. They formed the Organization of African Unity.
The OAU helped countries support one another.
It also supported countries still fighting for freedom. They worked to solve problems peacefully. But not everything was easy. Some countries disagreed. Progress was sometimes slow. A new generation wanted stronger unity. They believed Africa could do more.
In 2002, a new organization was formed.
It was called the African Union. It replaced the OAU. The African Union works to improve lives. It supports education and growth. It helps keep peace across Africa.
It encourages countries to work together.
Africa is growing and changing every day. Young people are building the future. Africa is strongest when it stands together.
Different countries, one family. Different languages, one people.
To help Africa grow stronger, the countries join together in friendship. This is called the African Union. Every year, Africa celebrates African Union Day to remember that together, we are stronger. Today, 55 African countries stand together with friendship, peace, and unity. Unity brings progress. Africa's future is in our hands. We all have a role to play, from north to south. From east to west, we are one.
One Africa, one future.
Together, we can achieve great things. Africa must stand as one. And the story continues with you.